what I'm saying? And Joey Freshgood's coming out with vagina shoes, right? Is that what you were saying
Yes.
before we started?
Pussy is power. Let's do
Word,
this.
word. These
PIP.
these these shoes are kind of fire. I'm not. I've been off the New Balance thing for a minute,
Mhm.
probably like 3 years now, since the 2002 Rs, which they're retroing. I heard, right?
Yeah, they bringing the
The
protection pack
the the
back.
protection pack. I need the gray ones. That's it.
Facts. Shout out to my
Facts.
ex for buying me a pair.
Hmm.
Best thing you ever did for me.
I have the blue. Did I rock the blue? I forgot which ones I have. I
That don't
sold one
seem like a
pair.
you shoe. I'm surprised
No,
you
I
have them.
got I got a couple pairs. I had a couple pairs.
I'm about to say, do you still got them or did you
I
sell them?
sold one pair and I wear the other pair a lot. I think I
Oh,
either the blue or the gray. I think it's either not. It's not the the dark gray and black ones you have, right? The darker gray.
I got the first grays, like
Yeah,
the like regular Phantom gray.
yeah, like with the darker. The other ones the ones I have are like gray on gray, like light gray on
Like
light gray
I
or some
think
shit.
those are like the Lunar New Year version or
Something
something
like
like
that.
that.
Yeah, they were
Yeah,
like
okay.
the second round of ones, and then they came out with the more brighter colors after
The
that.
pink, the
Yeah,
purple,
and the
yeah.
orange and all that, which were
Oh, I
dope. But
remember
I
them
missed out
orange.
all those. Yeah, I had the navy and gray and gray with something else, and I wore the
I'm
gray.
getting to that age where it's ironic for you to wear dad shoes.
Hey
Like
man, I
it's
got the dad New Balances, the white and navy blue joints. You know what I'm saying?
the cookout
Yeah.
joints.
I'll be right back.
Yes. You
Yeah, New
know.
Balance culturally always been a thing here. But shit, as I'm getting closer to the mid 30s, there's gonna be a point where I need them.
Hey man, I love them. As long as the lace is right, you good, and they don't look like dad sneakers.
That's bro. People don't understand the way you lace a shoe is pivotal
I
to
know.
how they come off looking, bro.
Facts.
Yeah, these shoes. Hey, what are y'all talking about? I missed like 30 seconds of this conversation.
Talk about
Um,
as we get old, New Balance stop being dad shoes. They just become shoes.
I mean, they dope. Like some of them, man. And
and it's all
you
about the
can't
lace.
argue with the quality. Wait, they don't have a really good picture of these shoes, do they? They just have the
You
inside
know,
and
it's
them
got
in
the
the
big
Louis
ass
Nah,
Vuitton
Louis
bag.
Vuitton bag.
it's a little preview. 2000. Shout
Okay.
out to 2000s. They dropped recently and they sold out everywhere.
I need to. I gotta start looking at some more New Balances, man. I'm getting bored with the Nike stuff. It's all just Jordan shit and whatever.